Hey, smart buyers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel that helps you spend your hard-earned cash wisely. Today, we're diving into the world of 3D printing with two hot contenders, the ANYCUBIC Photon Mono 2, or just Photon, and the QIDI MAX3, which we'll lovingly call Max 3. So buckle up, and let's see which one of these bad boys deserves a spot on your workbench. First up, let's talk about something that makes all of us cry: price. On the left, we have the Photon coming in at a wallet-friendly $239. On the right, we have the Max 3, which costs a whopping $1,099. For that price difference, you'd expect the Max 3 to come with a personal barista and a foot massage, but let's see if it's worth it. Reviewers appreciate the Photon for its excellent value and quality at a competitive price, while Max 3 users feel the higher cost is justified by its advanced features and build quality. Photon sports a 6.6-inch 4K plus HD screen with a resolution of 4096*2560. This thing can show details so tiny, you'll need a microscope to appreciate them. On the other hand, Max 3 is more about size and speed, boasting a large 325*315 printing capacity. It's like comparing a Swiss watch to a sledgehammer. Both are cool, but for very different reasons. Reviewers highlight the Photon's impressive detail and clarity, while Max 3 gets kudos for its large build area, making it ideal for bigger projects. Photon's upgraded light turbo matrix sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie. It offers a stable, uniform light source, which reduces layer lines and makes your models look smoother than a jazz saxophonist in a tuxedo. The Max 3, however, gives you a massive build volume and high-speed printing, which means you can print a life-sized bust of yourself in record time. Because, who wouldn't want that? Users of Photon love the smooth finish and reduced layer lines, whereas Max 3 users rave about its speed and large-scale capabilities. Photon boasts a laser-engraved platform for improved adhesion and a higher printing success rate. Imagine it's like having a clingy ex. Once it sticks, it's not letting go. On the flip side, Max 3 has an ultra-stable all-metal frame and a ton of high-quality materials. It's more stable than your friend who always has their life together and makes you question your own choices. Reviewers praise Photon for its reliable adhesion and success rate, while Max 3 is lauded for its stability lack and robust construction. When it comes to versatility, Photon's new slicing software is like getting an upgrade from dial-up to fiber internet. It's faster, easier to use, and makes you wonder how you ever lived without it. The Max 3, however, comes with Clipper firmware and QIDI slicer software, offering remote control and custom functions. It's basically the Swiss Army knife of 3D printing software. Reviewers find Photon's software user-friendly and efficient, while Max 3's software is praised for its versatility and advanced features. Overall, reviewers find the ANYCUBIC Photon Mono 2 to be an excellent choice for those looking for high-quality prints at an affordable price, with user-friendly software and reliable performance. On the other hand, the QIDI Max 3 is highly recommended for its large build volume, speed, and versatile software, making it suitable for both hobbyists and industrial applications. So which one should you go for? If you're ballin' on a budget and want those fine details without breaking the bank, Photon is your go-to. But if you're ready to splurge like a tech mogul and want speed, size, and versatility, Max 3 is your new best friend. Either way, you can't go wrong. Thanks for watching, smart buyers. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, keep buying smart.